I hope you're doing great. Guys, I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this new video. Today I'm here to make viewer and my audience aware about the reliable and unbiased Insta feed reviews. So guys, stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So as we all know, all beautiful ladies have beautiful feet and they love to adore and admire their feet. But have you ever heard about selling your beautiful feet pictures and earning money in return? If no, check it out on InstaFeed. Guys, as per the latest reports and our investigation, we found that the website is the first one which allow users to sell their feet pictures and earn money. Despite there is many websites available in which you can easily sell your feet pictures and earn money, but InstaFeed is the first one to come with this new concept. This is the new concept in which the beauty admirers can get a platform to showcase their elegant feet and can earn money. Guys, in many countries, as per introspection, selling feet pictures is legal as per the investigation, and in many countries it is not at all legal. It depends upon country rules, ethics and values. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to perform better and give you immense information. So guys, yes, check it out the website InstaFeed, in which you're going to get featured members, because there is a private community which requires approval from the site. Profiles are under constant reviews. There are many beautiful girls who have showcased their feet pictures and are getting good amount of money. Even the InstaFeed has all its photographs and its model pics available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can easily go and check it out if you wanted to go and sell your feet pictures. So guys, if we talk about the customer reviews, we find that there are mixed customer reviews. As per our in-depth analysis and investigation, we found that many of the girls are liking this platform and finding it a great way to earn money by selling their beautiful pictures of their feet, because they love to adore and admire and want others to follow their pictures. But many of them have complained about the site. They said that it is customer service never responds and the websites never gets loaded. Many customers have find the problem with loading the website. They found that while loading, they didn't get the website, and thus they just get a blog instead of the website as per the customer. Guys, if you wanted to sign up or log in, you can easily tap on login button, write your details and you can easily go ahead with it. If you wanted to sign up, you can easily do while sign up. It depends upon customers to customer and their experiences. So guys, yes, it is a new platform basically which allows you to do and share your pics, and if you wanted to be a featured member, you have to get approval from the profile members. So yes guys, you can easily do it, but it depends upon how you get the experience from the site and how you wanted to deal with it. So guys, yes, if you found our information helpful, do like, share and comment, and for the latest news like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much for being such a warm audience, and be informed and be safe.